Okay, so over here, you can see we're going to just play around with some things to show you what projectile motion is like. So we can launch at a particular angle. Let's launch, let's say that. And then that means the projectile will be launched into the air. You can see that this is tracking the horizontal direction well, the horizontal position of the particle. And this is tracking the vertical direction of the particle. And you'll get this sort of projectile motion, overall the 2D motion. As we were talking about, let's take launch again at a faster speed. What do we notice horizontally?
It goes much further.
Well, but what do we notice about the velocity of the horizontal motion? Is it speeding up or slowing down?
Yeah, speeding up.
Is it? Take a look. Is horizontally, just take a look at this one. Is it going faster and faster and faster?
No, it's just constant speed.
Exactly, it's just constant. That's why we were saying before that horizontally is constant velocity.
Yeah.
And now let's take a look at just the same thing, but vertically. Is it going up faster and faster and faster?
It's slowing down.
And then?
And then it speeds up.
Right. So this way, it has constant acceleration downward. So we can, of course, change the speed and the angle. And as we do so, the object will go through a different path. Now, we will be looking forward. Into going forward, we'll be sort of learning particular terms. So you understand that the projectile will always have a maximum height. It will sort of be projected and land at a particular place. So that there is going to be called range. And so we've got max height and range, okay? And then those are things that we'll need to sort of calculate. And you also have time of flight, etc. So those are all parameters that we'll need to sort of calculate using our equations over the next few weeks. And we'll also talk about how they're affected by your projection speed and angle and so forth. But for now, focus on your 6 equations. Make sure you're familiar with them. And this will be how we use them to solve, will you be using them to solve these problems going forward? Any questions with that?
Nope.